Hi, sir. How is everything today?
Excuse me. I think there is a small problem with my order.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I ordered a chicken burger, but this looks a little different.
Oh, I see. Let me take a closer look.
I might be wrong, but I think this is a beef burger.
Hmm. Yes, you may be right. This does look like a beef burger.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I'm really sorry about that. It looks like we brought you the wrong order.
It's okay, but the problem is that I don't eat beef.
Oh, I understand. Thank you for telling me.
Yes, I was expecting the chicken sandwich instead.
I'm very sorry for the mistake. That should not have happened.
It's all right. These things happen sometimes.
Still, I apologize. I will fix it right away.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Of course. Thank you for letting me know politely.
No problem.
Would you like me to bring you a new chicken burger?
Yes, please. That would be great.
All right. And would you like fresh fries with it?
Oh, yes, that would be nice.
I can replace the fries too, so everything will be fresh.
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
It should only take a few minutes.
That's fine. I'm not in a hurry.
Great. I'll go tell the kitchen right away.
Thanks a lot.
Again, I'm very sorry for the mix-up.
Don't worry about it. Mistakes happen in busy places.
Thank you for being so understanding.
Of course, everyone has busy days.
That's true. It has been a busy afternoon here.
I can imagine.
By the way, is this your first time at our diner?
Yes, it is.
Oh, nice. I hope you like it here.
I do actually. The diner looks really nice.
Thank you. We're very happy to hear that.
The atmosphere is very friendly.
That's what we try to create. All right, I'll bring your new order very soon.
Great, thank you very much.
And if you need anything else while you wait, just let me know.
Sure, I will.
Your chicken burger will be ready in just a few minutes.
Perfect. Thanks again for helping.
You're very welcome.